Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful lace earrings. To start, let's see what kind of materials we're going to need for those. I have a 0.9mm crochet hook, a small crochet needle that is able to pass through the bead that I have selected for these earrings, earring hook, scissors, and I have this brown and cream colored yarn. If you like this design and you found the video helpful, please like it and subscribe to support my channel. To begin the pattern, we are going to make a slip knot. From here, let's make chain 5. And then we'll make a slip stitch into that first chain in order to make a ring. Next, we'll make chain 5. And then make a double crochet inside the ring. So yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through, and now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the rest 2. So that is our double crochet. We'll follow by making chain 2, and then another double crochet. So basically we need 6 more double crochets. We have 2 and then we need 6 more with 2 chains in between, so that's total of 8 double crochets with 2 chains in between all of them. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochets. I've made 2 last chains and then I'm going to do a slip stitch into that first double crochet. So that's the chain 5 that we started with. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3 and do a slip stitch into that chain in order to close this round 1. So this is what we have so far. Next we're going to do a slip stitch into this first space. And then chain 5. From there, we'll make a double crochet into that same space. And then chain 1. Next, we'll do a double crochet in the next chain 2 space. and then chain 1 again. Next we'll do 3 double crochets into the next space, so right here. That's 1. Two double crochets, and that's the third one. We'll make chain 3, and then 3 double crochets in the same space. So that's one of the corners right here. Next we'll make chain 1 and a double crochet into this space. That's the next space. Chain 1 and then 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 3. And then 3 more double crochets in the same space, so that's another corner. Then again we'll make chain 1. We repeat the same pattern and a double crochet into the next space. Then chain 1 again, and then we make 3 double crochets into the next space. Then again chain 3 and 3 more double crochets in the same exact space as the previous 3 to form another corner. Then chain 1 and then another double crochet into the next space. Chain 1. So this first chain that we did to start this round counts as 1 double crochet, so we're going to make 2 double crochets into this space right here. And that one is going to count as our third double crochet, so we're going to do a slip stitch into the third chain over here in order to finish this round. Now, because we want to make this into earrings, we're going to leave a little bit longer yarn, so we can use that for attaching the bead. And what you can do next is use your crochet needle to hide this one tail in the middle. And then cut the extra piece. Then, using that same crochet needle, we're going to attach the bead. And then attach the earring hook. And then from here go back inside the bead and then finish in the back. Now, as you can see, this one is a bit wrinkled in comparison to the one that I showed you in the beginning. And this one has a lot better shape and sharper corners. Now, the way I did that is by blocking this. So I use pins to attach and stretch these corners in all directions, just like so, to a board. It could even be a cardboard, it doesn't have to be a block. Use simple pins, stretch every corner, and then spray it with a fabric stiffener. And this is what's going to achieve this look right here. So that's what I'm going to do next. Then you let it dry while it's pinned to the board, and then you can take off the pins and it will keep this shape. You can also use a hair dryer to dry it faster, but make sure it's dry before you remove it from the board, otherwise it won't keep its shape. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Have fun crocheting. If you like this design and you found the video helpful, please like it and subscribe to support my channel.